I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I need to start cleaning. The socks are really cute. This is super exciting content, isn't it? Buongiorno, beautiful people. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Pardon my cats. I think they're in a zoomies mode, so they're probably gonna be fighting and, well, play fighting. Case in point. So there you go. It's Friday morning, my first day that I am officially on my holiday vacation from work. And actually Josh's parents are coming today at 1 o'clock for a couple of days before they go visit his sister, and then they're back for Christmas because we're having Christmas together here. So the house is a tip, honestly and truthfully. I have to still clean the kitchen, clean the bathroom, and most importantly I have to transform the kids' bedroom, aka where the cats stay at night, into the guest bedroom, which it is a guest bedroom, but you'll see the condition in which it is just awful. So I have to clean it, I need to mop it, and then I need to open the Murphy bed, make it more presentable. So I thought before I go to the gym, I mean technically it's my day off, but I was very excited to start the second phase of my program today. So I don't know, I just thought I would clean the house, and then if there is spare time before 1 o'clock when they arrive, I'll go to the gym, and if not, I'll just take today off and use the cleaning up process as a workout. Oh my god, he's going crazy. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I need to start cleaning. Right, so this is the situation over here. All of these things need to go. All of that needs to find another place. And then we need to open that up and do the bed. But before we can do this, I need to clean our bedroom, which is where most of the stuff will go. And something will go downstairs. I don't know, I haven't figured that part out. So before I clean up and prepare the guest bedroom, I need to... Can you see it? Why is making it so bright? There we go. Yes, look at that. So I need to tidy up here, and then we can pass into the next room. It's a mess. So I would say time lapse. Okay, so now that this is much better, more clean and tidy, now we're gonna go to the other room. I'm gonna start cleaning up here and tidying up here, and let's see. clean. The cats are very curious of what the smells are. I am exhausted, already, but we shall continue. So the house is all nice and clean. We have here still the rug, which I think I'm gonna put across as opposed to lengthwise. When they get out of bed, hopefully they will have a little bit of rug to put themselves on. Milo is super curious of the rug, and I think he's breaking it somehow. Milo, he's always doing naughty stuff. Is that good? Yeah, hopefully. So, I would say, I feel like this, they'll be able to have somewhere to, you know, get off under. And now, I've never opened the bed, so let's see if I can. Okay, it's coming down. There we go, that's the bed. So I am 1000% needing to iron those bed sheets because they look just horrendous like that. But yeah, this is the room now that is all cleared out of the cat stuff. And then there's a cool thing about this bed. I don't know if you can see it during the day. Maybe you can. Should be one here. There you go. So that when the lights are off, well, at night, obviously, you know, you have those lights. It's like a bedside table kind of light. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the last few bits. I'm gonna try use this steamer for the first time. I don't even know how it works, so bear with me a second. It's impossible to get them off the bed. Like, every single time I tell him off, he's back in it. Anyhow, yeah, so this one, never used it before. This is the thing. Seems pretty standard, normal, I don't know. Stop it. See, that's what puzzles me. It says that the garment steamer is designed to be used in an upward position on hanging fabrics. But then, yeah, on the box it shows to be used horizontally on a flat surface, so I am really confused. This is super exciting content, isn't it? Okay. It definitely took off the line, so maybe it will work. As the best invention ever, but it definitely helps with creases. Right, so this is the final result. Can't believe that actually took 2 hours to do both bedrooms and steam that. But now it's 20 to 11 and I need to clean this. I don't know if it's too much cleaning content. This is not a cleaning kind of channel, but I need to get it done. So yeah, I'm gonna do another time lapse. I might shorten a little bit, otherwise it's going to be too much footage of this kind, but I'm gonna clean the bathroom and I'll see you in a second. It's after lunchtime. We just had that leftover bolognese that Josh cooked. And actually, even though he doesn't really like to cook, or at least he doesn't cook as often, and he's obviously not Italian, I think that was actually the best bolognese sauce that I've ever had. So that was a plus. So I'm gonna have I showed you this? I'm gonna have, what are you doing? Our couple's advent calendar from Hotel Chocolat. He actually had them all, like from yesterday, I think I missed it, and today already. If you hear weird noises, it's the dishwasher, sorry, washing machine. I thought, because we have about half an hour to an hour before Josh's parents arrive, I just wanted to very quickly go to B&M and get a few last bits for stocking fillers and things like that, and maybe try to see if I can find the star tree topper that I still haven't found anywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to go out for a little bit, especially with my belly full of food. I just want to go for a walk. I'm definitely not going to the gym. I haven't had the time, and there's no way that I can go now because I'm pretty sure I will just feel sick. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and then we can go outside for a little bit. It's the gloomiest day that I've seen in a while, and also sorry about the noises. I don't know why I decided to start vlogging right next to the main road, which is noisy, but actually I'm curious to see whether this camera, like how it picks up the sound such as traffic and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to go to B&M, nothing too fancy, just to fill up the stocking fillers because Josh has 2 this year, so I need something to fill up the space. And then I'm just gonna go very quickly to TK Maxx, maybe to Next. I just wanted to see what kind of Christmas decorations they have and things like that, but to be honest, in this town at least there isn't much in terms of shops or I just wanted to get out of the house. I don't know you, but I get very bored when I have to clean for hours and hours and hours. So yeah, it's good to go for a walk, get some fresh air, and then we're back at home. Right, so I'm in Next home, and I was thinking to get little things such as these, little card game. You can try, I don't know, I never heard of it before, but something like that, like a stocking filler, maybe, I'm not sure, trying to see. I'm definitely getting some chocolate, but I was looking at other options. Like mags, and not interested, and perfumes, I can't smell them, so. This, I think, is the whole collection of tree decorations that they have here, so unfortunately I don't see any tree topper or anything. They have some candles and bits here, but nothing for a stocking filler, I don't think. So nothing here either, unfortunately. Ooh, that's what I got last year. I still have it, smaller version, and it still smells. So yeah, definitely recommend that actually if anyone wants some potpourri for Christmas. That's nice. Can't smell it with the mask though. I feel like that would be super cool to have on display once we build the shelves and the cabinets either side of the new chimney. I think that would be actually really nice to have. So I always wanted to get a tree skirt for the big tree that we have now, the real one. But I'm also not sure whether I want to go for fur or like a, what's it called? Like a basket one. But yeah, I don't know, is that normal to have? Is it tacky? Is it cozy? I don't know. Right, yeah, didn't find anything unfortunately here on Next, so I'm gonna go now to B&M. Let's hope I can find something. Oh, what's next? One of these. One of these. Aha, here they have more. Actually, they might be even better. Okay, let's see what I can find now. Right, so he loves jelly tots, so I got one of those, and as well he loves After Eight, so there we go. Glad I didn't get it on Next, because I got it here for cheaper. I was hoping I will find here the Christmas star, or yeah, the tree topper, but unfortunately I don't see anything. So literally my last hope is TK Maxx, even though I've been there before and they didn't have any. So I don't know, I'm hoping perhaps now they stock some. I don't know. Right, I don't see anything new, unfortunately. Actually, I feel like it's more empty than ever. Everyone just cleaned up all the shelves. Okay, I think this is the Christmas section. Definitely want to get a panettone, which is a typical Italian Christmas sweet. They do have loads of board games, which I said this before. We love board games, but I feel like none of them are what we would play, and I feel like it maybe will be best bet to buy them from Amazon, really. These are cute. Just some playing cards. That'd be cute. I definitely think I should get him some pair of socks of some sort. They're cute. Which one? I think this is more neutral and this is more Christmassy. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. These are adorable though. Okay, I think I'm getting both. You never have too many socks. Okay, so my plan to be home before the in-laws arrived did not work. They're already there. So I'm rushing now home. Such a shame that I couldn't get any Christmas tree toppers. I guess this year we won't have one. But I think as well the socks are really cute. So I'm really happy that I found them. And yeah, that's it. Good morning, beautiful people. It's the day after. I am currently getting ready to go to the gym. And I was just editing the video, well, finished to edit the video this morning, and I think that is long enough. So I'm gonna finish it here. I really hope you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the bell notification on, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!